The P0113 code refers to a problem with the intake air temperature sensor. Specifically, it indicates that the signal from this sensor is too high or out of range. This sensor is vital because it tells the car's computer how cold or hot the air entering the engine is, which helps the ECU calculate the correct amount of fuel to inject. When the signal is too high, the computer interprets the air as extremely cold, which can lead to an incorrect fuel mixture. The most common symptoms are the check engine light being on, but you might also notice a rough idle, a decrease in fuel economy, and even the car running hotter than usual or having difficulty starting, especially when cold. The first thing to do is run the code with an OBD2 scanner to confirm. The most common cause of this code is a faulty or corroded IAT sensor. Visually inspect the sensor and its connector for damage, dirt, or corrosion. It's also crucial to check the IAT sensor wiring. Damaged wiring, short circuits, or loose connections can cause erroneous readings. Make sure there are no air leaks in the intake system after the MAF sensor, as this could also affect IAT readings. In most cases, replacing a faulty IAT sensor or repairing the wiring is the straightforward solution. If left unattended, an incorrect fuel mixture can lead to increased fuel consumption, catalytic converter damage due to excess unburned fuel, and premature engine wear.